Hey YouTubers, more Robb. Guys, I'm going to talk about my two favorite things I bought for the kitchen in 2026. It's not electronic gadget, it's not any doodads, it's something really simple. Number one, it's these Anchor Hocking glass containers. I know it's something simple, probably everybody already has, but there's some people out there that never thought about these. You can get them in sets. I got two sets. One I gave away for Christmas, but one I kept to myself, and it's been great. It's like 32 pieces, and it was 20 bucks, but that was on sale. They're, like I said, they're glass, so you can put them in the microwave, you can put them in the freezer. The tomato sauce doesn't stick to it and turn different colors. It cleans up really well. But the best thing about it is, in my opinion, is it's so easy to stack. I've got breakfast here going, and this is chickpea spread I make once every 3 or 4 days. I have it on toast. This is carrot puree, same thing. Make it a couple dozen carrots, well, maybe 12, 14. Puree, have some carrots in the morning. Potatoes, I got eggs, I got apples, I got cantaloupe. All of these things. Breakfast is so easy. Just take them out of the refrigerator, open up, eat it, put it back, and don't have to make this for another 3 or 4 days. And it's so easy to make breakfast and easy to store stuff. And like I said, the best thing about they're so narrow, you can stack in the refrigerator really easy. They come in 4 different sizes. They have a rectangular one, the large one, the medium size, and the smaller one that's in the cupboard. And they have lids for all of them, and it makes a really good thing for the kitchen. The next thing is, if you run out of things to, if you run out of your Anchor Hocking, you've got other things, right? Well, you don't have lids for them. You can buy a bag. This bag was like $6. There's 3 different sizes for 3 different size bowls. It covers them perfectly. You wash them, reuse them. I hang them over the sink, and then they dry. And then you reuse them again. So it makes cooking in the kitchen a lot easier. Like I said, I can make breakfast just like that. And get them on sale. They're usually better prices on Walmart. I'll leave a link at the beginning of the video for the ones I see on Walmart, but there's also a link in the video description for the Amazon. And if you don't like them and you live long enough, I'm sure you'll break them by dropping them because they are glass. Eventually, the glass goes away. But yeah, they'll last a long time if you don't drop them. And also, finally, the lids. They have the containers with the snap top lids. And some of those are good, but some of them, they never work right. They're always kind of loose or they're too tight. They've been really good. All right, guys, that's enough yapping for something so simple. But it's been a really big pleasure to have something. You can just fill up your refrigerator with a bunch of stuff. The only thing to make it easier would be have a better way to write on the top to see when you put the stuff in. But other than that, I'm really happy for the price and for the convenience and the quality I get from. And they're made in USA. Nothing wrong with stuff made in other countries, but I'm here in USA. I like USA stuff. What can I say? All right, don't forget the jelly jars. All right, take care. See you out there.